Hi, Father George. Thank you very much for spending some time with us. I'd just like to get your feedback and experience on Dan's QLA seminar here at Guthrie Castle. First question is, are you glad you came to the seminar, and if so, why?
I'm very glad I came. I know Mr. Peña then from about 7 years. We met in Romania, because I'm from Romania, in Bucharest in 2010. I already read all his new newsletters twice, and also his book. And but to see him live is quite different, And sure, I wanted to see him live. I wanted to understand more deeply his thinking, because reading his newsletters and his book, some of his thoughts, part of his wisdom, is approaching of the thinking of the Holy Fathers, the saints, So these are a few reasons I'm so glad I am here and I attended this super seminar.
How do you feel your expectations on yourself and your vision have changed since you've attended the seminar?
My expectations, knowing Dan, knowing his part of his style, of his personality, I think sure it was higher than most profoundly than the book or the newsletters, because this is quite different. It's a big difference, a huge difference to read a book wrote by someone or to see him face to face, to see him teaching you. We change experience. Of course, his is bigger than mine, but it's excellent, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So.
During the week's seminar, Dan focuses quite a lot on action now, as opposed to endless planning, for example. Have you got any plans in mind on how you can implement that in the immediate term, say 21 hours, and the short term, say 21 days? Have you got any action plans on that?
Yes. First, because I read the book, and in the book he wrote the same thing. It was very interesting because it was not just something from my mind. It was something from my heart, from my soul. In less than 21 hours, in my native town, in Suceava, in the north of Romania, I already had a meeting, met someone, talking about, because we have a business family, an English club for kids. Okay. Concerning the seminar, because my wife is here also, too, we already planned. We had the first meeting with them, himself, and we're planning by weeks the way we will implement his methodology in our business, and not just in business. I think in life, even in life, all he teaches is for our good. Okay. It's in according with the because I'm a priest. Sure, first of all, is God, is the church, my mission, because it is a mission. That's what I said. His knowledge is approaching by the. So we had the first meeting. We established the steps. So we will study again all the stuff, the book again, to implement exactly what have a fulfilled life, to have a fulfilled business, to be okay, to be perfect, to be the best you can be, or be all you can be, as Dan says. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thanks very much.
Thank you very much.